Hello, here I am at Chillela Pass, the highest waterable pass, the highest point in Bhutan. Wonderful place, lots of prayer flags around, and it's a bit cloudy, so we won't be able to see any peaks from here. And there's the beast. She helped me achieve this feat on this trip, and she has really taken a beating on this trip. We have been on really treacherous road, and here's the valley view from Chillela. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. And here it is.